So we're going to be building a bunk bed.
So if you want to keep updated on this one, hit that subscribe button. We'll keep posting some more updates of this as the project goes. It'll be a multi-part because it is a big build.
So important part here, I got these cross beams. You'll see a lot of people build these, and there's kind of tutorial how-tos. They'll fill this gap and get this really weird transition line here because this will be a lot further in than this. So you want to spend a lot of time making sure that these are perfectly flush. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take some shims and I'm going to actually shim this piece out until it's perfectly flush, and then I'll go ahead and nail. So I don't have to try to ramp up. You'll see in a lot of these, they kind of ramp up and it looks weird because this is flat, and you have this little ramp right here. So you want to spend a little extra time whenever you're doing something like this, making sure that those transition points are really smooth and really level. So I'll put that shim back there, I'll nail it right through the shim, and then we'll be able to just fill that little tiny seam without having to make the big ramp on it. So we've got most of the bed built. We're starting to fill cracks. So it's two-part epoxy. You're mixing the hardener with the resin, I guess you would call it, and filling the gaps. I'm doing this so it doesn't crack. All right, we've come a long way. Built the structure, got a lot of the finish work done on this. Starting to trim it all out, and really just kind of finishing up that trim here. So ran crown all the way around it, trimming all the pieces out, baseboards and all that kind of stuff. So got just one or two more pieces of trim to do. Also ran the electrical inside of there. I'm not going to show you how to do that in the video because that's all to your own code, but it'll have a light and a USB plug in there where they can plug in 4 different devices. So now we're putting the first coat of paint on and using the foam roller to give it that really nice smooth finish on it.